Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll discuss the topic of this one, factorization. Okay, so topic of factorization. So there are some problems that we'll solve. So there are six problems we'll solve. So first problem is this: 9 into a minus b whole square minus 4 into 2a plus b whole square. So this is the first problem. Then several problems are given that we'll able to solve here. We'll try to solve here. Okay, so first one is here. 9 into a minus b whole square and 4 into 2a plus b whole square. So that is question number 1. 9 into this one is given a minus b whole square. So this is a minus b whole square minus 4 into 2a plus b whole square. 2a plus b whole square. So we'll try to solve this problem. Okay, so how to solve this one? This is a factorization problem. So first we can see 9 can be written as 3 square, that means 3 into a minus b whole square form. Okay, we know 9 is 3 square, that means it can be written as 3 into a minus b whole square. Now 4 can be written as 2 square, that means 2 into 2a plus b whole square. We can write like this. Okay, done. Now next is that these 3 will be multiplied. If I multiply these 3, that will become 3a minus 3b whole square, and if I multiply these two, that will become 4a plus 2b whole square, like this. Okay, so this is the a and this is the b. Now a square b minus b square. So you have to remember the formulas here. What is the formula of a square minus b square? The formula is a plus b into a minus b. So this is the formula. So here you can see this is the a and this is the b. So this is a square minus b square. The formula will be a plus b. Okay, a plus b, like this, and a minus b. A minus b, that means 4a plus 2b, this one. Okay, so this is a plus b and a minus b. Now if I remove the bracket, that will become 3a minus 3b plus, that is 4a plus 2b, and here you can see this is 3a minus 3b, and minus, if I multiply minus, that will be minus 4a minus 2b. Then now 3a plus 4a, that will be 7a, and minus 3b plus 2b, that will be minus b. So that will be 7a minus b, like this. Okay, 7a minus b, and here you can see 3a minus 4a, that is minus a. So that is minus a, and here it is minus 3b minus 2b, that means minus 5b. Okay, now from these two we can take minus. If I take the minus here, it will become like this: 7a minus b, and here it will become a plus 5b. So this is the factorization. Okay, so this is the first one. This is the way to solve that first one. Okay, now go to the next one, question number 2. So the question number 2 is that 15 into x minus 2y whole square minus 8 into x minus 2y minus 16. Okay, so this is question number 2. So the question is given 15 into x minus 2y whole square minus 8 into x minus 2y, 8 into x minus 2y minus 16 here. Okay, so 15 into x minus 2y whole square minus 8 into x minus 2y minus 16. That one we have to solve. Now how to solve this one? So you can see here x minus 2y, x minus 2y. Now this x minus 2y is there. So first you have to let this x minus 2y something, any other variable you can take. You can take it as a or b or c or d, anything. Okay, so I am letting this x minus 2y as a. So what will happen? So that will become like this: 15a square minus 8a minus 16, this one. Okay, now we have to factorize this one. How to factorize? 15 into 16. Okay, factorization. Now here you have to use middle term method. Middle term method means first you have to find the product of the extreme terms. So here 15 into 16. So find 15 into 16. So find the multiplication. Okay, so that will be 15 6 are 90. Then that is 15. That means 240. So here we are getting 240. Now the middle term. So what is the middle term here? 8. So we have to express 8 as a sum or minus of two numbers, such a way their sum will be 8 and their product will be 240. For example, suppose I can write 8 as 6 and 2, 6 plus 2. Okay, 6 plus 2 is 8, but 6 into 2, look at this, 6 into 2 is what? 12, but it has to be 240. So we have to take 8 such a way that its product will be 240. But here you can see 6 plus 2. If I write 6 plus 2, the product is coming 12. Okay, that means you are not able to take this one. Okay, now next, what we'll able to take from this? Okay, such that the product will become 240. So how to do this one? 240, first factorize this one, whatever with the product. Okay, so first you have to find the product of the extreme terms. Now find the factorization. 240 can be written as 2, 120 by 2 again 60 by 2 again 30. Now again by 3 it will be 10 and by 2 it will be 5. Okay, it will be 5. So how many 2's are there? There are 4 2's. That means 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 is 3, 1, 5 is there. So suppose I am taking 2 2's here. Okay, 2 2's and 1 3 and again 2 2's and 1 5. Okay, so that will be 2 2's are 4, 4 3's are 12 and 2 2's are 4, 4 5's are 20. Now you can see 20 minus 12 is 8. Okay, so here you can write 15a square and 8 can be written as 20 minus 12 a minus 16 and 20 into 12 is 240 also. So that's all. That means 15a square, just multiply a, so that will be 20a minus minus, that will be 12a. Okay, and this is minus 16. Now from these two, what is the common element? 15 and 20, that means 5. We can take 5 from here and a square and a, we can take a, so that will be 3a minus 4. Now from here also 12 and 16, what is the common element here? 4. If I take 4 from here, that will be 3a minus 4. Done. Now again from these two, what is the common element? 3a minus 4. Now if I take 3a minus 4 here, 3a minus 4 here, what is the common element here? That will be 5a and here 4 will remain. So that will be 3a minus 4 and 5a plus 4, like this. Now here 3 into a. Now what is the a here? Now look at here, the value of a is at x minus 2y. That means here a will be x minus 2y minus 4. Here also 5 into a will be x minus 2y plus 4, like this. So if I multiply this one, that will be 3x minus 6y. Okay, multiply this one, that will be 3x minus 6y minus 4. And if I multiply 5, that will be 5x minus 10y plus 4. So that will be the factorization. Okay, so this is a very interesting problem. You should solve that one. Okay, so this is question number 2. Now we'll move to question number 3. So question number 3, you can see. So this is the question number 3. So it is written this 8x square y cube plus 12xy cube. Okay, so this is the question number 3. This is very easy one. 8x square y cube plus 12xy cube. 12xy cube. Okay, 8x square y cube, 12xy cube. Now from these two, first 8 and 12 is there. So what is the common element? 8 and 12, 4 is the common element. Done. Now x is there, x is also there. So write x. Y is there, y is also there. So write y. So here you can see the power of x is 2. Here the power of x is 1. So you have to take the lowest one. 2 and 1. What is the lowest one? 1. Again, power of y is 3. Here the power of y is 3. Both are same. So you have to take 3 here. Then now 8. If I divide 8 by 4, 8 by 4 will be what? 2. And x square, I have taken x square means there are 2x. I have taken 1x. That means there will be 1x remaining. Next y cube, and we have taken y cube, so nothing will left. Then plus. Now 12, again look, 12 by 4. 12 by 4 is 3. Here there is only 1x. I have taken 1x, so it is cancelled out. Y cube, 3y is there. I have taken 3y. That means done. So that will be the answer. 4xy cube, and it will be 2x plus 3. So that is the factorization answer. So question number 3 done. Now question number 4. Move to question number 4. Now here we can see x minus 1 whole square. Now from these two we can see there is a common element. What is the common element here? B. So it can be written as question number 4. This is x minus 1 minus it is 3 into x minus 1 whole square, and here you can see b. Now from this two, what is the common element here? B. So I am taking the b here, so that will be b into 1 minus x, like this. Okay, now look at this. This is x minus 1, this is x minus 1 whole square. Now this is 1 minus x. Okay, this is x minus 1, this is also x minus 1, but this is 1 minus x. Now what to do is that I am taking minus from this. If I take minus from this, what will happen? The negative term will become positive and the positive will become negative, like this. Okay, so whenever we are taking negative from something, that means the negative will become positive and the positive will become negative. So here you can see x is negative, it will become positive, and 1 is positive, it will become negative, like this. Now from these three, now you can see x minus 1 is a common element, so I am taking x minus 1. Done. Now what will be the left here? What will left? 1, then minus 3. Now x minus 1 whole square, that means there are 2x minus 1. I have taken 1x minus 1, that means 1x minus 1 will be remaining, minus b into, now I have taken 1x minus 1, so this is cancelled out, so there will be only 1b. So the answer will be x minus 1 minus 3x, minus is plus 3 minus b. So that means x minus 1. Now you can see there 1 plus 3 is here 4 minus 3x minus b. So that will be the answer. Okay, so that is x minus 1, and 3 plus 1 is 4 minus 3x minus b. So that will be the factorization of question number 4. Now we'll move to question number 5. So question number 5, again this is a middle term. So here it is given 14x square plus 19x minus 3. Now middle term is, first you have to multiply these two. That means 14 3s are 42. Okay, 14 3s are 42. Now factor this one, that will be 2 into, and that will be 21. Now simply we can see here 19. So 19 can be written as this, not 21 minus 2. We know 21 minus 2 is 19. So here we can write 14x square, and 19 can be written as 21 minus 2, okay, x minus 3, like this. So it will be 14x square plus, then it is 21x, okay, then it is 21x minus 2x minus 3. Now from these two, what is a common element? 7x is a common element, so it will be 2x plus 3. Now from these two, what is a common element? Minus 1, so that will be 2x plus 3. Now from these two, okay, done. Now again from these two, what is a common element? We can see 2x plus 3 is the common element. That means if I take 2x plus 3, what will be the remaining element here? 7x, and here it is minus 1. So 7x minus 1. So that will be the answer. So this is the question number 5. Okay, done. Now next one is this one. Okay, try to solve this one. So this is question number 6. Okay, so try to solve this one and write the answer in the comment box. So this is x square plus 2x minus 63. Okay, try this one. If you're not able to do, we'll do in the next class. Okay, so thank you for today.